a lot of other people inspired me, and they said, listen, you do the action thing really cool. How do we get started? What's the
Yeah.
best style? Does it matter if I've never had anything before? And I was like, no, actually, a lot of stunt coordinators prefer it that way, because if you are so
Mm.
fixated with one style, and then I ask you to learn a different style for the sake of the character you're portraying, sometimes it's like uninstalling something and reinstalling the new content or new format that
Yeah.
you gotta start with, or you gotta prep for your character. So it becomes
Mm.
such a hard transition. So I put it all into a new book that I called Zero to Hero, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of my female friends that are really inspired now. You've got Captain Marvel, and you've got Nikitas, and you've got Black Widows,
Yeah.
and you've got all these, way back since Kill Bill and even before then, that they're like,
Yeah.
yeah, we wanted to do action, and it's all in there. I teach you how to make your first fist. I teach
Mm.
you the difference between real, which is
Mm.
EA, meaning real fighting,
Yeah.
and the difference between real, as in
Yeah.
EE, as in film, right?
Yeah.
And it's little things that we talk about, from your first fist to why
Mm.
this is real life versus not good for camera because I can't see your face. So we cheated
Right.
a little more, right? Flexibility is not an issue. You can take certain things, that becomes
Yeah.
your forte, your power. So people typically will be like, I don't know how to backflip. Stunts or action is not for me. I can't do the
Yeah.
splits. I was like, listen, you could get into driving, precision driving. You could get into
Yeah.
body burns. You could get into simple tumbles. And I cover the misconceptions about
Yeah.
how action or stunts has to do with
Mm.
movies like the Avengers or the Expendables. I
Yeah.
was like, no, in fact, a Hallmark movie, if you watch it, there's a comedy scene. The couple slips and falls on ice, right? Or someone's putting a
Right.
star on top of the tree and they kind of fall down
Yeah.
the stairs. That's a stunt. So you need a stunt coordinator there to make sure that it's rehearsed and everyone is as safe as possible,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
But break it all down in a completely easy to follow guide, and a Zero to
Yeah.
Hero can be on Amazon starting Monday, the 11th.
Amazing.